Weight loss is full of confusion, gimmicks, and fad diets promising quick results. But true, lasting transformation comes from understanding your body, building healthy habits, and following a plan that works for real life, not just for a few weeks. In this video, we'll guide you through navigating your weight loss journey, helping you move from short-term fixes to sustainable, long-term results. Subscribe for practical tips and strategies to make lasting changes in your health and fitness. The weight loss world is flooded with quick fixes, trendy diets, and miracle solutions promising rapid results. From keto to juice cleanses, intermittent fasting fads, and zero-carb crazes, it's easy to get lost in the noise. But while these fads may work temporarily, they rarely lead to sustainable change. Lasting weight loss comes from understanding your body, building healthy habits, and creating a realistic plan that fits your lifestyle. This guide explores the journey from chasing short-term trends to achieving lifelong results, with 10 key strategies to help you navigate your weight loss path effectively. Point 10. Understand why fad diets fail. Fad diets often eliminate entire food groups or severely restrict calories, which can cause rapid weight loss initially but are unsustainable in the long term. When the body is deprived, metabolism slows, cravings spike, and once the diet ends, weight often returns, sometimes with a little extra. Understanding that these diets are temporary solutions helps you avoid repeated cycles of yo-yo dieting and frustration. Sustainable weight loss requires balance, flexibility, and a focus on nutrient-rich foods rather than extreme restriction. Point 9. Shift your mindset from quick fixes to long-term change. Successful weight loss begins in the mind. Instead of looking for instant results, focus on consistent, incremental improvements. Setting realistic goals, such as losing 1 to 2 pounds per week or increasing your weekly activity gradually, creates momentum without overwhelming your body or mind. A long-term mindset reduces frustration, helps maintain motivation, and encourages habits that stick beyond the diet's duration. Remember, slow and steady wins the race. Point 8. Prioritize whole, nutrient-dense foods. The foundation of lasting weight loss is nutrition, not deprivation. Focus on whole foods that nourish your body: lean proteins, whole grains, vegetables, fruits, legumes, and healthy fats. These foods keep you full longer, provide essential nutrients, and stabilize blood sugar levels. Avoid highly processed, sugary, or fried foods, which contribute to weight gain and cravings. Over time, shifting your diet to nutrient-dense foods rewires your taste preferences, making healthy eating easier and more enjoyable. Point 7. Master portion control. Without counting every calorie while tracking calories can be helpful initially. Lasting results come from learning portion awareness and listening to your body's hunger cues. Use visual cues such as filling half your plate with vegetables, a quarter with lean protein, and a quarter with complex carbs to ensure balanced meals. Eating mindfully, chewing slowly, and pausing before seconds can help prevent overeating while teaching long-term control over food choices. Point 6. Build consistent exercise habits. Weight loss isn't just about what you eat. It's also about movement. Regular exercise increases calorie burn, builds muscle, and improves metabolism. Aim for a mix of resistance training and cardiovascular activity to support fat loss and body composition changes. Start small if needed, and gradually increase intensity and duration. Consistency matters more than perfection. Building exercise into your routine ensures lasting results rather than temporary fixes. Point 5. Hydrate and support your body. Water is often overlooked in weight loss strategies, yet it plays a critical role in metabolism, digestion, and satiety. Drinking adequate water reduces false hunger signals and prevents cravings, especially in the evening. Herbal teas and water-rich foods like fruits and vegetables can contribute to hydration while providing nutrients. Proper hydration is a simple yet powerful step toward sustainable weight loss. Point 4. Prioritize sleep and recovery. Fad diets rarely address sleep, but inadequate rest can sabotage progress. Sleep deprivation increases hunger hormones, decreases satiety signals, and slows metabolism. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night. Rest also supports muscle recovery from exercise and improves mental clarity, helping you make better food choices. Incorporating consistent sleep patterns ensures your weight loss journey is sustainable and healthy. Point 3. Track progress beyond the scale. Weight loss is about more than just pounds. Tracking progress through measurements, body composition, energy levels, and fitness milestones provides a fuller picture of improvement. Fad diets often focus solely on scale weight, which can fluctuate due to water retention, glycogen stores, or muscle gain. Monitoring multiple metrics ensures motivation remains high and highlights meaningful, long-term changes rather than temporary shifts. Point 2. Build a support system. A strong support system can be the difference between temporary results and lasting success. Surround yourself with people who encourage healthy habits, celebrate progress, and hold you accountable. This can include friends, family, fitness groups, or online communities. Sharing your journey, struggles, and achievements makes it easier to stay consistent and motivated while reducing the risk of reverting to old habits. Point 1. Focus on lifestyle changes, not diets. The most critical lesson in navigating weight loss is understanding that permanent results come from lifestyle changes, not short-term diets. Develop habits that integrate healthy eating, regular movement, hydration, sleep, and stress management into your daily routine. These habits, repeated consistently over time, build a foundation for a healthier body, improved energy, and sustainable weight management. When you focus on lifestyle rather than restriction, weight loss becomes a natural outcome instead of a constant struggle. Moving from fad diets to lasting weight loss is about building knowledge, habits, and a sustainable lifestyle. By understanding why quick fixes fail, prioritizing whole foods, exercising consistently, sleeping well, and focusing on overall well-being, you can achieve your goals without deprivation or burnout. Lasting results come from small, consistent steps rather than dramatic, temporary measures. When you navigate your weight loss journey with patience, strategy, and self-awareness, you're not just losing weight, you're transforming your life for the better. And that's how you shift from chasing fad diets to achieving real, lasting results. Remember, it's about consistency, smart choices, and patience, not quick fixes. If this video helped you see the bigger picture, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more actionable advice on nutrition, weight loss, and sustainable fitness. Stay committed, stay informed, and keep moving toward a healthier, stronger you.